Today I'm going to be talking about DJI Warranty, and specifically, should you buy your DJI product from one of the many websites that sells grey imports or imports it to you from China, or should you buy it whilst you're on holiday? Because there are some things that you need to know about the warranty, and whilst you might save some money in the short term, in the long term it could actually end up costing you money. And the reason for that is as follows. DJI do not offer a global warranty. The warranty they give is only for the origin country that product was destined for. Now, what I mean by that is DJI ship products to different countries all around the world, and they know where the product was destined for by its serial number. So China market ones, USA ones, and Europe ones all are marked up slightly differently. Because of that, DJI will only honor the warranty in the origin country it was designed for. So for instance, if you were to buy from one of the many websites like SLR Hut, Banggood, and it was shipped over from China, if you had a problem under warranty, you would actually have to pay to ship it back to China yourself to get it repaired. DJI would not cover it in your home region. That would also stand if you were to buy one whilst on holiday as well. So if you were from the UK and you went to the US whilst on holiday and you picked one up, you would end up having to pay to ship it back to the US if you needed warranty support. You could also end up having to pay to ship it back to you as well, because again, they officially only cover the warranty in the origin country. So if it's a USA product, it will be covered in the USA, a Europe product in Europe, and a China product in China. So whilst sometimes you can look on Banggood and see some good deals on things like a Mavic 2 or a Mavic Pro, in the long run, it could actually end up costing you a lot more money. So please do take this into account before you purchase. Personally, I always purchase in my home origin country, which is the UK. I generally don't import anything, something that needs warranty. That way I know I'm going to be covered. DJI will cover you, no problem at all, in your home region. And that way, like for instance, in Europe, it goes to the Netherlands. In the US, it goes within the US. And then if you're in China, it goes over to there. However, I then know that I will have coverage in my home country and I don't have to worry about it. I've seen this question pop up so many times, I thought I would do a very short video on it. I hope it's been helpful. Please do subscribe to the channel. There's a button in the bottom right hand corner. If this video has been helpful, you can also support the channel by the links that are in the description. Finally, please check out our other social media ones as well. There's a link to that down there somewhere about now, and I will do another video again soon. Please do subscribe to the channel and check out all of the other videos we have available. They are also split into playlists to help you easily find the ones that are relevant to you. If you would like to support the channel, please check out the links that are in the description for each video. You will find the links for the products we've been talking about, and it's only by you guys purchasing via these links that allows us to keep making videos and buy products to talk about in the future. Please also check us out and follow us on all of the social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. We're beginning to build these accounts up, and whilst it is early days, I would appreciate it if you would like, share and follow us on these platforms. Finally, please also check out my website, www.madrc.com. Now, this is somewhere that we've been putting some of our blog posts and things like that over the last couple of years. So if you're interested in having a look, please do go check it out. That is it. Please do click that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I will do another video again soon.